it's raining. I considered going out, but I'm not going out there when it's raining and it's not warm enough to go out enjoyably. So, no. Me and Nana, we say no. No to going out in the rain. She was just out. She has her diaper off. I thought, oh, time to relieve you of that. And she went out and peed, so that's good. So, but we're not going out in the rain. No, no, no. No, no, no. So I was looking at my cat door. Cat door. Yep. We get somebody to cut the door, to cut the hole in the door with a jigsaw, I guess. And that will be cool. Hopefully someone will do that. If not, my son said he'd do it. But, you know, if he's not, the other guys are not that busy. I could be walking out there, but it's not pleasant. It's damp. It's damp, it's raining, and it's chilly. I mean, there's still snow. There is still snow out there. So that means it is still chilly. So we're not going to, I just cleaned my where'd I put it? Oh, yeah, right here. I just cleaned my Yeti with Barkeeper's Friend, or Bartender's Friend, whatever it's called. I've never used that before, but it got it really clean. I usually get it clean with baking soda. That's okay. You can go back to having a nap. Having a nap. What, Julia? What say you? See, so they're not coming back because they're done. You should see the bedroom. Oh, it's lovely. Back to my chocolate brown. Nice and dark and soothing. Bedroomish. Yes, says Julia. I know. I remember. It sort of looks like me. Yes. Yes, so what time is it? Oh, it's not even 2 o'clock. Go back to watching videos. Watching all sorts of interesting videos. Gonna do the kitty litter in a few hours. Discussed with Raph the door situation. And our different understandings of it. There's a frosted glass door down there. And he thought it was the pantry door. And I thought it was the bathroom door. Because I have ordered barn doors for two locations. Barn door for my closet and a barn door for the bathroom door. Yes. And the bathroom door is supposed to have frosted windows, okay? Yeah. And Raph absolutely understood it. You can't see through them. It's all right. Who cares if it's bathroom? I said, yeah, because that bathroom is totally dark and that will give a glimmer of light, all right? I mean, I'm in a basement. It's dark. But if you're going to the bathroom in the middle of the night, I don't want to be turning any lights on. So, having frosted doors, I mean, I'm not going to close the doors anyway. But anyway. So there are supposed to be two panes as far as I know. I showed them what the barn doors are supposed to be. Anyway, so we were discussing that, and apparently the flooring people are supposed to come tomorrow and deliver flooring. The painters are supposed to come back Teenagers are supposed to come back. Whoa. An eye shot. An eye shot. Don't poke me. I don't want pokies. No. I always get the impression that you're nosing me and you're tasting me. We've done this before, haven't we? Yes. We've got this shot. Yep, we've had this shot many times, Julia. You and me. Yeah, that I keep on looking out and going, oh, maybe I'll go for a walk, and then I notice that the windows are freshly wet. So it's just too chilly to go out for a walk in the rain. Yeah, so I was watching videos of lots of people. Lauren DIY. I love Lauren DIY. She's Canadian, did you know? Yep. I would say Catherine's. She just bought herself a Tesla this year. Last year, I don't know. So she's another one of those Canadians who are doing well in the States. Yep. Anyway, I was just watching her videos, but then I was watching the videos of someone else, a woman who has stage 4 lung cancer. And they just went to, they just came back. They went to she went to her doctor and just came back from her doctor's visit. And apparently things are moderately improved. So she's on a clinical trial. 2 o'clock, yeah, not 4 o'clock, 2 o'clock, okay. And apparently it's actually helping. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, so I'm curious as to what my barn doors will look like. But my bedroom is totally brown, just like it used to be. And even though the paint is called granite, it's called granite. When you think of granite, what do you think of? Gray, black? Yeah. But no, this is the brown, and it is brown. It is brown. So it is definitely brown in my bedroom. In my bedroom, it's brown. It's brown in the bedroom. You know I like brown bedrooms. I love brown bedrooms. It's very soothing. And my last bedroom had a white ceiling. This one does not. It is so dark in there. Oh, only me. Yeah, I'm the weirdo with a totally brown bedroom. I'm so looking forward to moving downstairs. Right now it's kind of neat because the smell of paint is just, it's just wonderful. I don't mind the smell of latex paint. I don't mind that at all. Nope. It's a fresh smell. Of course, it's not something that I'm not going to become a painter. Actually, I enjoy painting, so I might go back to painting. After many years of not painting, you've seen my artwork. I might go back to painting. I am considering it seriously. I'm seriously considering painting. Yes. Yeah, look at that tree. The branches just going all over the place. It's a little bit windy. Surprise! It's always windy here. Ugh. That'll be nice when there's no mud there. And she goes, yeah, sure, it'll be nice there when there's a house there. You're not gonna like it when there's a house there, because then you're just looking across at a house. Right now, you're at least looking at an empty field. What's better, a house or an empty field? I don't know. I don't know what I would prefer. An ugly field like that, that's not a field, that's a construction site. It's muddy. Construction site. Doesn't do a thing for me. A house, you know, will be nice with grass and have less view. I will no longer be able to look into the neighbor's kitchen dining room and see them. Can't actually see them. I have such bad vision. I can't actually see them. And yes, this is what woke me up this morning at 3:30 and kept me awake for about an hour or more. So I am short of sleep because this house is very healthy. You have constant air circulation. My mother, it would have driven her crazy because she had neuritis. So any air circulation made her, especially when she was more ill, made her pained her because it hurt her because she felt it like pain on her skin. So she did not want to have constant air circulation. Meanwhile, this house is nothing but constant air circulation. And I looked it up. It does not hurt me. It doesn't do anything like that to me. But I looked it up, and it is actually money saving. Better for the air conditioning, not cooling, that's heating and cooling of the house, lasts longer if it's left constantly running, uses less energy if it's left constantly running. Because it is always, as my father told me, and he always knew, it is the startup and the shutdown that is bad. So this is why I don't understand why many cars nowadays shut down as soon as they come to a stop and start up again. Is that not worse for the car? Its engine? Or is it just an internal combustion engine that it's worse? Well, no, they all turn off, yeah. It's not like they're electric ones that turn off. It's the, yeah, I don't know, whatever. So apparently it is better if this is left running all the time. All the time. Which is why I will be going outside a lot over the summer. Because as soon as it's warm enough to sit out, I will sit out. Because I would like to have some silence. This is constant white noise. Which, you know, not a big deal, but it's constant white noise. Never ending white noise. Mm-mm-mm.